So we're just going to head over towards the comedy carpet, and this is a bit of a scene you see quite often. Emergency services rushing down the tram lines, especially when it is very, very busy of an evening. And welcome back to another brand new video. So it's Saturday night in Blackpool. It's the last day of the Lightpool Festival, so it should be a bit of a busy one for everybody to enjoy. So come and join me on this one. So we're just going to head over towards some of the light pools for the last time, but you just see Blackpool Tower, and right above it is the moon. Look at that, half moon, as the old Jaffa Cake advert goes, half moon. So like I said, we're going to have a bit of a walk around. Hopefully it should be a pretty good atmosphere tonight. So we'll just swing by the red wedding, the Reading, I'm losing my words. Swing by the wedding chapel for the last time, and that's proved to be a very popular one, projecting onto the wedding chapel, and that one is called Sun Glitter. That one, really, really nice. Sun Glitter. So many people have been married in that one over the years. A great one. So Blackpool, you know, it's got plenty of people out and about, despite the bitterness, what's in the air, the bitterness and the unpredictable weather we are having. So there is the, as I always call them, the old jellyfish. Let's just move the camera back a little, and we can just have a look at the dragons of the north, which is always to do with the Lightpool. Fantastic they are. One red and one green one. So just drop down right to the lower decks, just to show you a bit of the old angry and aggressive sea this evening. So the tide is rushing in. I see the old, if you can see it, it's very dark down here, very, very dark. But you can make out all the white waves, white horses, as a lot of people know them as. And there's the big wheel right in the distance on the central pier, and it is a little choppy sea. Then people are daring it with the sea. Yeah, it's getting a tad rough. Like I said, in a bitter cold evening in Blackpool. And you just see the lasers also projecting from the central pier. And this is always my favourite part of Blackpool, is the sea, especially when it is a little rough. Just listening to the crunching of the waves. So what we're going to do is have a bit of a walk near the old shops once again of an evening time. So we've done this plenty of times during the day, but never really in the evening. So we'll just get a bit of a feel for the old atmosphere. So I think something's happening with a load of these cars. There's all sorts of things going on. Let's see if we can just weave our way past some of these people. It's like the old Santa, the old Christmas things going on. Unless I'm seeing things. In fact, it is. There we go. It's a busy old day. And in fact, the old elves are quite a bit early. You know, just had Halloween, and we've got the old elves on here. Wow, they are getting there very early. Look at this. The old Santa Claus has come out. How incredible! So you see, the old elf has come out, Santa Claus himself. So there is plenty going on along here. Look at all these trucks lit up, absolutely incredible. It's just like, it's a bit of a preview of the old Christmas market, I guess. absolutely incredible. I tell you, Blackpool does host some amazing things. Look at this one, for example, all lit up, and it's like Christmas has come early. Absolutely great to see. So he's gonna keep moving on. What a little treat that is, especially for the families and things like that. Always great. Wow. So we'll have a bit of a walk past the tower. Now it's all projected, and like I said, they run all sorts of little things on there, little videos, snippets of the old days and shows, everything. Absolutely amazing, that one on the tower front itself. So plenty of people about. So we're going to go meet David. He's doing a charity walk, and he's walking all the way from Stargate right to the top of Red Bank Road. How amazing is that for a charity? I'll pop the link in the description. Absolutely great thing to do. Like I said, this is just Blackpool Tower. A huge thank you for these fantastic kings. I will take a close-up in a minute, pop that in, and Birdman has presented some. Look at that, like a little tram, absolutely fantastic.
Balloon tram.
A balloon tram.
The Blackpool has lights up at the bottom and glows in the dark, and so do the windows on the tram.
Fantastic, I really appreciate that one, and I think that you've got some as well, haven't you, Jason?
Yeah. I got some of my logo on it.
We'll just show them the camera. Up a bit. So we'll take a bit of a close-up as well, but a huge thank you. And I bet not sort of keep you too wet, you'll be freezing, won't you?
Absolutely terrified. Absolutely freezing. I've done did Blackpool Tower for the first time today. To be honest, I was terrified all the way up, and then I don't know why, I just picked up the courage, walked across the glass, and I was like, you know what? I can do this. And I went up to the top, and nearly got blew off by the wind, and I was like, no, going back down.
At least you've done it. At least you've done it.
And I got the photos to prove it.
You really appreciate that.
No problem.
Fantastic. Well, lovely to meet you in person.
Nice to meet you guys. So, and you. Catch you later, Jason. And yourself.
So here goes the illuminated. So look at this one. Wow. What a sight. That is the end of tonight's video. I'm not too sure what's going on here at the moment as emergency services rushing all over. So again, another one using the tram line, which what they do as the promenade is absolutely packed. So until next time, look after yourselves. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification button. You'll be notified of all the upcoming videos, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.